Welcome back to Global Art YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve grade 3 IMO Maths Olympiad 5 sample questions. Question number 1. How many possible combinations of one cookie and one candy can be formed from the given cookie and candies? So here are the cookies and here are the candies. Options are option A 10, option B 14, option C 9 and option D 12. Well, to solve this, the simplest way is just multiply the 3 cookies with 3 candies. So 3 cookies multiplied by 3 candies equals 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So the correct answer is option C. But you must be imagining how these combinations have been made. Let's make the possible combination practically. For this, take one cookie and combine with this red candy. Then take this cookie and combine with this green candy. Then again take this cookie and combine with this brown candy. So we got 3 combinations. Now take this cookie and combine with this red candy. Take this cookie and combine with this green candy. Take this cookie and combine with this brown candy. Now we again got 3 combinations. Now take this cookie and combine with this red candy. Take this cookie and combine with this green candy. Take this cookie and combine with this brown candy. So we see that these 9 combinations are made out of given 3 cookies and 3 candies. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 2. Find the number of fruits to the right of the fruit called as king of fruits. Here are the fruits and vegetables. Options are option A 3, option B 2, option C 1 and option D 4. Solution. First, we need to identify the king of fruits, and that is mango. Here is the mango. Now we have to find the number of fruits to the right of mango. So this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. It is clearly visible that there is only one fruit, and that is orange to the right of mango. So the correct answer is option C. Please subscribe for many more informative videos. Question number 3. This red flower multiplied with this pink flower equals 24. This red flower minus with this blue flower equals 1. This pink flower plus this pink flower equals 12. Find the value of this blue flower. Options are option A 5, option B 1, option C 4 and option D 3. Solution. Let's start with the visibly most simplest flower set. Both pink flowers seem symmetrical. It means value will be equal. So this value would be 6 and this value should be 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. So this pink flower equals 6. Next, this red flower multiplied with this pink flower equals 24. Now friends, we already know that this pink flower equals 6. And now we have to find the value of this red flower, and the value of this red flower is 4 because 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. So this red flower equals 4. Then this red flower minus this blue flower equals 1. Now we have to find the value of this blue flower, and we already know that the value of this red flower is 4. So the value of this blue flower should be 3 because 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the value of this blue flower equals 3. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 4. The bar graph shows the number of students who wear glasses in 4 sections of class. Which class has the greatest number of students who wear glasses? So here are the bar graph. On x-axis classes are mentioned and on y-axis number of students wearing glasses is mentioned. Options are option A 3A, option B 3B, option C 3C, and option D 3D. Solution: to solve this, we need to calculate the total number of both boys and girls who wear glasses. Let's crack it for each class. Class 3A equals boys plus girls equals 9 plus 4 equals 13. So here are the number of boys wearing glasses, and that is 9, and here are the girls number of wearing glasses, and that is 4. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. Class 3B equals boys plus girls equals 7 plus 8 equals 15. So here are the number of boys wearing glasses, that is 7, and here are the number of girls wearing glasses, and that is 8. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Class 3C equals boys plus girls equals 8 plus 5 equals 13. So here are the boys wearing glasses, and that is 8, and here are the girls wearing glasses, and that is 5. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. Class 3D equals boys plus girls equals 5 plus 9 equals 14. Here are the boys wearing glasses, that is 5, and here are the girls wearing glasses, and that is 9. So 5 plus 9 equals 14. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 5. The table shows the heights of 4 girls. Name and height in centimeter. Name: Kashika 150 centimeter, Anshika 141 centimeter, Stacy 124 centimeter, and Lily 107 centimeter. Who among them is the tallest girl? Options are option A Kashika, option B Anshika, option C Stacy, and option D Lily. Solution: it is clearly visible from the chart that Kashika, having height of 150 cm, has the maximum height, so she is the tallest among 4 girls. So the correct answer is option A. Please like and share, subscribe, press the bell icon of Global Ladder YouTube channel. Visit www.globalladder.com for free worksheets. Bye bye.